सांताक्रूज पंचायत वाठारांतले बॉन्डवॉल तळे वेटलँड म्हण अधिसूचित केला। काल ताच्या सुचोवणी तक्त्याचे अनावरण झाले। काल म्हटल्यार 2 फेब्रुवारी हो वर्ल्ड वेटलँड डे। ह्या दिसाचे औचित्य साधून GSWA म्हटल्यार गोवा स्टेट वेटलँड ऑथॉरिटीच्या वांगडी सचिवाचे हस्तुके बॉन्डवॉल तळ्याचे सुवातेर लायिल्ल्या अधिसुचोवणी तक्त्याचे अनावरण झाले। ह्या वेळार सांताक्रूजची सरपंच, उपसरपंच, ZP, BDC चेअरमॅन आणि कोमनीदादीचो अध्यक्ष हांनी हजेरी लायिल्ली।
Wetland Day with the theme that let's protect, let's restore the wetlands. And with this restoration message, it is the first achievement that these wetlands have been notified. Notifying and identifying is the first step, and then what pre-existing rights and privileges are there, like people are already doing agricultural practices, people are already withdrawing the water immersion of Ganesh idols in some wetlands. They are doing many activities which are ongoing, will never be stopped. In fact, they will be supported to be more eco-friendly and more greener. Even if in place like Nanda there was a crematorium, so there is an opportunity that we can make it more greener so that it will not be polluted. So notifying and identifying wetlands is first step towards the protection, conservation, and the further management will happen with local people, with lake management committees, where local stakeholders, the owners of the land, they will be managing. So this is not a model of top to bottom, but this is a model where bottom to top approach, where people manage their wetlands, identify their wetlands, and get their livelihood and other requirements from the wetlands, get more connected to wetlands.
थळावे पंचायतीची सरपंच, ZP मेंबर, कोमनीदादीचे पदाधिकारी सगळ्यांनीच ही अभिमानाची गजाल आशिल्ल्याचे सांगत खोशी उक्तायली।
World Wetland Day, we have unveiled the board, and from our side, from the Panchayat side, if there is anything required, we have the BMC committee, so we are ready to help in any ways which is from our side, from the Panchayat side.
I'd like to thank all the villagers for having supported us in this venture, for getting this status as a wetland. And secondly, I would like to thank our nodal officer and also the member secretary of Goa State Biodiversity Board for helping us and for actually meeting every stakeholder, taking every stakeholder into account, meeting them, asking them for any suggestions or if they have got any grievance. So all this was done through the proper channel, and it involved a lot of time, it involved a lot of conversation, also to get in touch with the government officials. So all these things, I think Pradeep Sarmakadam sir has done it. I thank you very from the bottom of my heart, because without you I don't think so we could be able to do this.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगेज, जवाहर बर्वे आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।